If you want to scan a QR code on your Motorola smartphone, usually we have two main ways to do so. The first method is to go to the control center or quick settings and look for a QR code scanner in here. In my case, I should be able to find it. There we go. In my case, it is here in this place. So we can open it and then you can point at the QR code. And as you can see, we can open the link, copy the link, or we can share the link quite easily. And besides that, another way to scan a QR code is with the help of the camera. Usually cameras have the option to scan QR codes as well. In the photo mode, you can point at the QR code and then you can get the link. You can tap on these three dots in order to open the link, copy it, or share it with someone. You can also just tap on that banner in order to open the link in the browser. And in some cases, if the QR code scanner doesn't work for you in the camera, then you can go to the camera settings. And then in here, we're gonna try to find the QR code scanner option. I don't think in my case it is available. It seems that it is not present, so technically the camera should always be able to scan the QR code, maybe in here. No. So most of the time you don't have to worry about it, but just in case it doesn't work, you can of course can do that. Now, if for some reason you don't have the QR code scanner in quick settings or the control center and you cannot scan the QR code with the camera app, then in that case you can just download a QR code scanner from the Play Store. You can just simply search QR code scanner and you should be able to find a bunch of different apps that should be able to scan QR codes. I believe even the Google Lens app can scan QR codes, so I'm just gonna check that out. I believe this will be the best option in case that's true. Let's open the camera. Let's see if it's gonna work. Yes, it works, so you can use Google Lens for free without ads or anything like that, and it should be able to scan QR codes. Leave a like and subscribe.